Hey, Scott with Peel-Tek here, and I want to show you all something. I did this little stain job in here a few months ago, and I used Peel-Tek, of course, to get the grout lines there. But I also did some masking down here on this wood, and it's been on there for several months now, probably at least 4 months. And so I just wanted to show you how it peeled off after the amount of time. And by the way, this is raw rough sawn cedar here. And so let's see if I can get a good angle here so that I can do this. And so I'm just gonna loosen it up, get an edge there, and then start peeling. But as you can see, even after 4 months, as long as you're not outside with UV rays degrading it, you're gonna be able to still pull this off of, and this is one of the most difficult surfaces to do right here. Now, one thing I want to reiterate here is that the most common mistake made with Peel-Tek is spreading it too thin, especially on a very rough surface like that. If you spread it too thin, you saw how tight it clings, okay? Now, you spread it too thin, you're gonna be rubbing off little bits and pieces, and you're gonna be very frustrated. And so make sure that you get it on a decent coat, and I would even recommend potentially putting 2 coats on. That way you know you got it. And sometimes the rough surfaces will trick you, and if you get too thin of a coat, you might get these little spots that you didn't cover well, and so your stain or whatever will sometimes get through that. So that second coat gives you that insurance that you need in order to protect your surface right there. And anyway, thanks very much. Bye-bye.